Hello, my name is Maria Isabel Andivar, and today I'm gonna talk you about my lesson plan on renewable energy. This lesson plan is designed for the last year of high school, third grade BGU, Bachillerato General Unificado, and is based on um, unit Unit 3, Lesson 1, titled Renewable Energy, from the book B1.2, which is the official book used in public schools in Ecuador. The objectives for this lesson will be on listening. They will be able to listen and recognize different careers, characteristics, and Hello, my name is Maria Isabel Andivar, and today I'm going to bring you my lesson plan on renewable energy. This plan is designed for the last year of high school and is based on the Unit 3, Lesson 1, titled Renewal Lesson from the book English B1.2, which is the official book used in public schools in Ecuador. This lesson plan is designed for a 45-minute long class. The objective for the class will be in listening. They will be able to recognize dialogues and material regarding renewable energy. In speaking, they will be able to speak technical vocabulary regarding renewable and non-renewable energy in general. In reading, they will be able to read about alternative energy sources from water, solar, and solar and wind. And in writing, they will be able to write about these new renewable energy sources. The methodology for the class will be communicative language teaching and audiolingual method and inductive method. The strategy will be whole class work and individual work, and a task based method. Um, the anticipatory set, which is the one that sets the mood for the class, and it's done at the beginning of the class, will be by playing a video from National Geographic. This video, we can find it in YouTube. It's a video from National Geographic with which describes the general concepts of renewable energy. When the video finish, the teacher will start a discussion on renewable energy. The idea of this discussion is to assess how much the students know in the subject and to know where she has to reinforce in the class. In the main teaching input, the teacher will lead a brainstorm ideas about where and when we use energy. The conclusion will be that the life as we know it will be not possible without energy. We need energy. And energy takes resources from the planet. When we create energy, we usually hurt the planet. Then I will explain that there are also alternative energy resources that have less impact on the environment, and it hurts a little bit less the planet. The energy is everywhere, in sound, in wind, in food, in light. We just need to use it and to make it profitable and to make it possible. It is not easy to determine where it is. She will explain energy in general, and she will explain the different types of energy. So for this, she will use some posters on the first one on non-renewable energy. You know, non-renewable energy is on nuclear base, oil, natural gas, and coal. These kinds of energy hurt a lot of our environment. It affects our environment, and damage our planet. So then she will go to a chart with renewable energy to explain them. There's biomass with food and trees and caña de azúcar and other forces. There's solar energy, there's water energy, there's like Coca-Cola Sinclair is from water, for example. There's wind energy, there are some projects in Galapagos with wind energy, aeolic projects. And there's geothermal. Then she will show them a poster with the description or the how they classify as non-renewable and renewable, so they might compare it. After she clarify all these concepts and give an explanation of all the concepts of energy and how you get the energy and the consequences of extracting this energy and everything, she will go to the guided practices. The teacher will model the activities by explaining all the concepts and the thing and what to do. And in the guided practice, she will give the students some informative sheets on each type of renewable energy. Sheets like this. One sheet for solar energy, one for wind, and one for water energy. And they will review a little bit of the they will classify in the dependent practice, right? She will give a big explanation on these energies. I trying to give a dynamic class, trying to have some interaction with the class and give examples and ask them their opinion or ask them if they know something about it and trying to keep it interactive and dynamic. Then on the independent practice, she will ask the class to divide in 3 groups and will leave each group one of the sets of the informative sheets, one for of these clean energy sheets, one for wind, water, and solar. She will ask them to read and analyze the pages and make an outline with the main ideas. She will walk around the class from group to group, checking what they are doing and helping them and reviewing with them the most important facts. In the assessment for this class will be based on the participation as always and deduction abilities and the pronunciation and the use of the vocabulary. And also the teacher will assess their ability to work as a team. For the closing and review of this lesson, the teacher will ask the class to give a short summary. She will ask each group to come to the blackboard and and tell them about their energy. Give a little explanation to the rest of the class of what they think is important. She will ask each group to bring the outline for next class for continue working on this subject. And on these high school grades, mainly on the last year of school, students are supposed to know how to talk, and it's a lot of independent work, and it's a lot of writing work and deductive work because they need to establish this. They need to learn to write essays, and they need to learn how to write. That's why it's important to help them to work by themselves and to get a deductive and inductive classes where they by themselves get to the point of the class. Thank you very much. This will be my lesson plan for today.